If you're experiencing crashing issues with PUBG, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you identify and fix common causes of crashes. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for PUBG. Check the game's official website for the latest specifications and compare them with your hardware. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause crashes. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your GPU. Install them and restart your computer. Step 3. Verify game files. Corrupted game files can lead to crashes. Open your game launcher Steam, for example, go to your library, right-click on PUBG, select Properties, then Local Files, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for and repair any corrupted files. Step 4. Adjusting game settings. Sometimes, high graphics settings can overwhelm your system. Launch PUBG, go to the Settings menu, and lower the graphics settings, resolution, and disable any unnecessary features like motion blur or shadows to see if it stabilizes the game. Step 5. Disable background applications. Background applications can interfere with PUBG. Close any unnecessary programs running in the background, especially those that may use significant system resources, such as web browsers, streaming software, or other games. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issues in PUBG. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.